You ever notice how the most productive people aren't born motivated? They're trained. And here's the truth. Productivity doesn't take a full day. It takes one decision, one moment, one shift in how you start your morning. Today, I'm going to show you how to reprogram your mind and build a day that works for you, not against you. Start before the day starts. Productivity begins before you even wake up, not with the perfect morning routine, but with this simple question. What do I want tomorrow to feel like? Write down your top 1 to 3 priorities the night before, not 10, just the big ones. Because when your brain wakes up already knowing the plan, you've already won half the battle. This is how you eliminate chaos, decision fatigue, and stress. A productive day is designed, not improvised. Morning momentum. Win the first hour. Your morning sets the tone for everything. So the goal isn't to be perfect, it's to create momentum. Here's the formula. Move your body for even 2 minutes. Drink water before you scroll. Take 60 seconds to breathe and focus. Speak one affirmation that programs your focus. Example, today I choose clarity. Today I choose progress. This first hour is your foundation. If you win the start, the rest becomes easier. Remember, momentum is more powerful than motivation. The productivity engine, deep work blocks. To be truly productive, you need something more powerful than motivation. Systems. Use the 50-10 or 45-15 method. 45 minutes deep focus, 15 minutes break. Or 50 minutes work, 10 minutes recharge. No distractions, no multitasking. This is where real results happen. Because your brain isn't built to switch constantly. When you focus deeply, you step into your highest potential. And here's the secret. Deep work is where dreams turn into progress. Good energy equals good productivity. Your mindset is your engine. If your energy is low, your productivity collapses. So you must protect this rule. My energy is my responsibility. When something drains you, step back. When something inspires you, lean in. Give yourself permission to rest before burnout hits. A productive person doesn't work non-stop. They manage energy, not time. You don't need to be busy. You need to be aligned, focused, and intentional. Build the day with small victories. Big goals are achieved through tiny wins. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Finish a task? That's a win. Clean your desk? Win. Drink water instead of scrolling? Another win. When you stack micro wins, your brain releases dopamine, the chemical of progress. And suddenly, productivity becomes exciting, not exhausting. Success is built from small victories repeated daily. Focus on what actually matters. Your productivity doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing the right things. Ask yourself daily, if I could only complete one task today, what would matter most? That question saves you from wasting time. It brings you clarity, it cuts out the noise. You don't get paid for being busy. You grow by being effective. Prepare for tomorrow. The secret to a consistently productive life? You close the day on purpose. Every night, ask yourself, what did I accomplish today? What slowed me down? What will I focus on tomorrow? You are not repeating days. You are evolving through them. And when you end your day with clarity, you start the next one with power.